So today we learn how you can make money without followers on TikTok. It's very easy. Go to Soud.me website, then sign up as a creator. You need to fill in your KYC, that is a few details about yourself. So select location. The number of views will show you how much you can earn. So it's not important for now. So the higher the number of views, the higher the earning. So you need to give your personal details, that's the names, your TikTok handle, which is very important. If you go to your TikTok, then click on the icon for profile, you'll be able to see your TikTok handle, then your email address, then click sign up as a creator. Once done, you need to log in, then authorize SoudMe that it can accept your TikTok account. So it's like a linkage between the two accounts. The postings we'll be doing on TikTok. So this is just a way to allow Soud.me to read the sounds you're using on a video to confirm they are the ones they have given you campaign on. So when you log in, on the inbox you have the campaigns which you need to accept or decline. When you accept, they go to accepted. Please read the instructions, see the amount you can earn and the deadline. And also the sound. It has a link to TikTok and also a link to the sound itself. If you click on the TikTok icon, it takes you to the TikTok video. And if you click on the play button, you will listen to the sound. You need to use the exact sound. So click accept, it goes to accepted. Some may require approval, so they will be pending. Some may not require. We'll be seeing in the next video how now we'll be creating a TikTok video using the sounds here and start earning. So if I refresh, it takes some time, especially the ones that have high earnings. You need to know the deadline of that campaign and how much you can earn. I hope you can see various Q&A. So how much can you make? It depends on the number of views among other details from your TikTok. So how do you get paid? They usually pay you to your PayPal account. So you accumulate your earnings. Each video after the campaign ends, your earnings are calculated per duration that is set. Currently it's 72 hours, then it is posted as your available balance, which then you can click on withdraw into your PayPal account. We'll be going through this practically. So for now, we are creating account for Soud.me, and this does not require you have followers and views as a beginner. Just check the video that we created TikTok account with, follow the process. This is also another video. I have shown you how to create videos with Canva. I've also posted another one where you create videos using TikTok. So to be paid, you need a PayPal account. If you don't have one, go to paypal.com, create a PayPal account, just click on sign up, fill in the details that are requested. Make sure the email that you're using for PayPal to be creating is similar to the one that you're using for Soud.me and also for your TikTok. That's just for your control purposes. But you can create with different emails. So sign up as a personal. And put your mobile number and confirm. Then you put your details. Remember the email that you put here is the one you can use to be paid to. That is the one you'll be putting on Soud.me to receive the payment when you're withdrawing. So you have your inbox accepted, active, and completed. Those are campaigns. accepted are the ones that are waiting either to be approved or they are waiting for you to put your TikTok video link for them to validate. And once it's validated, it becomes active, and the views here you calculate into your total earnings, which after 72 hours become the available balance which you can withdraw. So keep tuned for the next video. We'll be doing practically how to accept a campaign, link your video, use the sound, start earning. Then the next video will be now on the withdraw. Thank you.